Folks, you're going to want to watch this video in its entirety. This car has so many amazing features. The more I looked at it, I was just blown away. I'm holding this heavy box. This is all documentation for the build, which only has 500 miles on the car, and all the information's right here. All good to have. We have a 1966 Mustang, lowered 4 inches, has a high performance 302 with an 8 stack fuel injection on top. It has air conditioning and 4-wheel disc brakes. It's sitting on a Martz chassis, front to back custom chassis, custom floor pans, custom everything, all leather interior, push button start, remote keyless doors. The list goes on and on. The mechanic, when we got the car too, he's a little concerned because this has so much going on. It flew through the shop. This car is dialed in. It performs and functions as good as it looks. I love it. Hopefully you're going to love it. You will. Go to volocars.com to see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this one may take a little bit longer. I don't even know if you noticed, this has like a clear see-through hood so you can see that awesome fuel injection system. So clear window on this raised fiberglass cowl hood. Speaking of the cowl vents were removed. It's all smooth metal, no antenna, no emblems, just a beautiful front fender, all precise, smooth, all fantastic. It does have remote doors. There's also a button on the inside here. Pops them right open. The roof line is all real nice. This has the Shelby style dovetail fiberglass trunk lid in the end caps here. All this fits beautifully. We'll talk more about this custom tail end in a second. All the seams have been filled in. I think there'd be a seam here. There'd be a seam here, all smoothed out, all filled in, all incredible looking, uh, molded in, scoop. Looks like there is a fine line, just a hairline scratch right along there. It might even buff out. And again, the handles are smoothed out. They open by remote. All beautiful, pristine, outstanding body and paint work. It's a custom mix, metallic, vibrant blue. The silver stripes are painted on, smooth to the touch. Hopefully you can see that window right there. Up front is all custom. Look at the lower valance is all custom. Custom grill, top to bottom. Custom two-piece smooth bumpers. There's no bumper bolts on them. So you can see all the work that just went into this. This will cost you $8,000 to $10,000 just up here. Custom LED headlights with the turn signals built into the headlights. All new smoked glass, all the stainless trim. It's either been chrome plated or it's polished like chrome. You got the bullet style mirrors. I'll put the window up later, but it is a smoked glass. They put the Shelby racing style quarter window in here. They took the vents out. Again, molded in scoops right here. This is where the gas filler is relocated. That opens up there. That goes into the fuel cell. Yeah, this is all custom back here. Also two-piece bumpers, sequential taillights. They're very cool. They light up bright from the back end with them wide tires and these lights lit up. It's a cool looking car. But look how the bumper was tucked into the body. Look how precise that is. That's all hand done. That's all time consuming, and that's all money. Sitting on some American racing wheels with Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. The size on these are 17-inch. They're beautiful looking tires and wheels. God, yeah, just look at the stance. Just look at that car. I love everything about it. We're just getting started. Let's open it up. All right, so it's a power trunk release from inside. I already hit the button. You can see it's all painted nicely, all looking good. There is a chip right here on the inside edge that should be touched up. So yeah, this is all refabricated. You can see it's tubbed, got some fat wheel wells. This is all the metal work you see is new. This roll bar continues right into the car. Here's a fuel cell. Looks like there's a car cover and few miscellaneous things that'll go with it. And then right here is a battery and leads down to a kill switch that actually, if you crawl under the car, you can kill the power to the car. Here's the custom gas cap. You just twist it, it pops up, and you unscrew it. If you look inside here through the smoked glass, see the Mustangs perforated. Those are speakers. And then you have the roll bar all wrapped in leather and all carpeted real nice back there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when these videos are posted. Door jambs painted slick. Weather strips are all replaced. Custom door panel. And if you notice the emergency handle in case you lose power, this here on each door will open the door. And this is the button to open the door when it's closed. And this here lights up. That's the pony sill plate. Okay, where do we start? The whole dash is custom. This is a carbon fiber ultralight set of gauges. There's 500 miles on the odometer. That's what's on the car since it was built. Genuine leather wrapped, blue stitched dash. You can see the custom AC vents. Retro stereo is part of the system. Looks like it has a satellite capability. Matches, both sides match. Nothing in there. Nice AC vent. There's no wires going to the electronics. They're contact buttons. Nice wrapped kick panel, wrapped in leather. This is that Mercedes style square loop carpet with nice bound edges with mats. Custom center console. I love this long shifter. The 5-speed transmission. This is the start button. You unlock and then that lights up and you hit it and then you can start the car. Power windows. And here's your controls. They're all hidden out of the way. You see the vintage air. They're backlit. You got headlights. You got wipers. This here is your power trunk. And then you flip it this way, it opens a rear hatch, which I'll show you in a second. You got some receptacles here. There's fog lights. I'm not sure what the rest of those do offhand. Here's a spare battery, probably for the remote. Custom leather seats. They're sport seats, actually out of a Corvette. They've been customized to fit in here. All power controls, both seats. You can see this roll bar. It's an actual roll bar, wrapped in leather, nicely stitched, completely carpeted front to back. This is the hatch that opens when you hit the release button. That lifts up, and that's where all your electronics are. If you ever had to access the wiring, the whole car is rewired. But you can see how nicely everything's upholstered and finished back here. There's a nice headliner. Billet mirror. Flaming River polished column with a tilt wheel. And then check out the pedals down here on the floor. Look at the clutch and brake pedal come right out of the floor instead of hanging down. You got a custom gas pedal and even the button for the high beams. And then you have an e-brake handle there on the side, and then custom interior lights there as well. So yeah, they did a great job in and out. I've seen cars where they have all these crazy ideas, but it doesn't come together. This car came together. This was professionals building. God, this car would cost every bit of $250,000, $300,000 to duplicate. So that's a high performance built 302, making 350 horsepower. It has aluminum heads. It has this 8-stack fuel injection. I'm going to refer to my notes. I think it's a fast fuel injection. And that's just so cool with the old style stacks. And this cover over the middle, I had not seen that before. That's custom. We got an MSD Pro Billet ignition system. All right, so it's a roller block, nodular crank, double roller timing chain, comp roller cam, roller rockers, Edelbrock aluminum heads with stainless swirl polished valves, heavy duty springs, chrome moly push rods. The list goes on and on. I have more details that'll go with the car in that box. On top is a fast, easy electronic fuel injection, self-tuning. It has BBK coated headers. And everything's hidden. All the wires, hoses are all hidden. You have this nice cover hiding some of the fuel lines and fuel regulator. Now look at the engine bay. Look at the firewalls, all smooth, all custom panels on the inside here, all stainless hardware. Love the billet polished hinges. They work so smoothly. This is a custom made front core support and cover, all custom hardware. It has the billet front runner system with a polished alternator, compressor, billet pulleys with the serpentine belt, modern power steering, nice looking valve covers with matching plug wire holders. Look at the polished steering components. You get a glimpse of some of the suspension that's in there. But before we leave, there's that window in the hood. That is so cool. Why don't I close this now? And this is what latches the hood as well. But I'm going to close this now so you can kind of see up close how neat that is. And then to open the hood, you just push these buttons. That's what opens and locks the hood. All right, Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, we got a really cool Mustang here, man. This thing's like an all-out show car, but it seems like it's got some real deal kind of performance parts on it as well. Full Martz chassis on it, and yeah, lots of suspension upgrades. Definitely check out pictures on the undercarriage. It is very impressive, as is the rest of the car. We got the 302 with the stacked fuel injection system. That thing is way cool. And then we got an upgraded 5-speed manual transmission. Yeah, really unique vehicle that has a lot of modern amenities on it. Seems to be running and driving pretty good. I went through our shop and we had a service and detail bill on it about $2,900. We did some wiring stuff to it, and then we also went ahead and we did some work on the rear suspension as well. But yeah, it is pretty cool. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Okay, and just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no problem. I'm gonna bump it into 5th gear here, see where we sit at like 60 miles an hour. Basically 2,000 RPMs and 60 miles an hour. So yeah, go ahead, take a long way to the cruise night. This is pretty cool, way different. We don't get many cars like this at the museum. Let's see how it goes down the road here. And I tell you, with all the suspension upgrades that it's got, this thing is set up super nice, very dialed in, and yeah, great alignment. Couple little downshifts for you guys. Hear that exhaust, great sounding exhaust too. And yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself, spend as much time with the car as you'd like to. And other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com. And there's a lot on this one.
There's some real serious time, money, effort, precision underneath this car. It looks fabulous. I don't know if there's anything under the car left from an original Mustang. The floor's frame completely reconstructed. These were unibodies originally. This has a full frame front to back now. This is on a chassis, a Martz chassis. Up front, completely reconfigured independent suspension, like one that I've never seen before. Coil-over adjustable gas shocks, a spline sway bar, rack and pinion steering. That connects right to an actual boxed frame. It looks like it's about a 2x4 steel square tube frame that runs all the way to the back, and that's where you've got a 4-link setup, tubular control arms, pan hard bar, spline sway bar, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. It has a Ford Racing clutch in it. It has a 9-inch rear end with Moser axles and 411 posi gears. The floor pans, like I said, are completely custom, and the first foot and a half to 2 feet in is all smooth. Everything's hidden. There's no brake lines, fuel lines, wires, nothing under there that you would see. All custom fuel system. It has Willwood drilled and slotted big disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. Yep, all the way around. A polished stainless steel custom exhaust. It's beautiful. It's like a work of art. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. It has the 5-speed transmission. You really need to check out the pictures of the underside of this car and think of the money it would cost you to go duplicate this car. And it looks like it was just finished. 500 miles on it. Whoever did it right. The car is put together really well. The shop loved it. George, who porters the cars around, says it's awesome. The mechanic, the lead mechanic who test drove it and serviced it, same thing. He was really impressed with this car. Go to volocars.com. I'm sure there's a whole bunch more about it that I have forgot to tell you about. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Mustang delivered home and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.